You know, the conversation that I had yesterday with somebody really bothered me about not appearing to be happy and just too serious and just not acting and being myself. So I have gone out of my way today to make sure, even though I'm here by myself, I'm out in the garden and just doing some puttering around. It's been a busy day, folks, but it doesn't look like I've done much, but I have been busy, I assure you. But when somebody said that, I am going out of my way today to pay attention and to be mindful and to make sure that I am happy. And even though I'm by myself here, I want to portray, even in my immediate surrounding, my personal space, that I am being happy and that I am just doing what I can on my end for myself. So I went down to the store and I got a block of ice and I was singing What a Wonderful World. And it's one of my favorite songs, folks. And I made sure that I sang the whole song and while I was going through this. It's a little tiny store. But I made sure that I sang it just out of my comfort zone. I weren't singing it to myself. I was singing it out loud, but I weren't belting it either, folks. I was just within 10 feet you might be able to hear me. So I got a few smiles, and a lady that was behind me, or well, she was beside me, kind of behind me. She started humming the same song right with me, so that was really nice, and it felt really good, folks. It felt really good. So this isn't going to be a shit at the fan video. This is going to be a feel good video because I think we all need reminders that we need to feel good. We need to make sure that we are happy in these troubled times, and we have to stay focused on what we are doing, but we can't lose part of ourselves while we're doing it. So what I've got are two songs down below, two links down below this video in the description. Two links that make me feel pretty darn good when I hear them. So for those of you who would like to, you can go down and listen to those two videos, those two songs, and well, you can post. Why don't you post a song or the name of a song or the words to the song or songs that make you feel happy? And that way we can all share in the love, and we can all share in the happiness and spread a little love and happiness amongst each other. If you're able to post a link, copy and paste, even if it's another YouTube channel with the, whatever, or a hyperlink or whatever you call those on Google. Or even if it's a song that you made up that you enjoy singing, post it down below if you would like, so we can all share in a little joy and take a break, at least mentally, maybe a little spiritually, from the chaos that we're all going through and the hectic part of the day, and just stopping just for a few minutes and enjoying some feel-good music, folks. So that's the gist of this. I wanted to show the update on the noodle beans. They're coming along nicely. And the mullein plant, which is halfway up my forehead, folks, when 8 days ago it was booby high. So there you have it. Maybe tomorrow will be a little more serious, but I'm going to make sure that I have fun as well, right? So thank you for coming by. Post a link if you want. Post anything you want, just as long as it's nice, okay? Comment, make sure it's nice, okay? Thank you all for being here. I really appreciate you being here. We're in this mess together. We're all surviving together. We're all tired together. Let's all be happy together as well, okay? Good night. Hey, folks. So, it's been another 8 days, and this is the mullein plant. I'll get behind it. It is right up to my forehead. 8 days ago, it was right up to my boobies, and 8 days before that was just over my knees, folks. I'm going to bring you a little bit closer, and I will show you what's happening with this plant. So as you can see, it is a little droopy. Now I'll tell you why it's droopy. It's not because it's not getting any water, because it's getting plenty of water. We just got down a lot of rain, right? But it grows so fast, folks, that the new growth is heavy, and the stalk has not had a chance to strengthen. So when this flower stem comes out, it's growing 2 or 3 inches a day, folks, and it's already got flowers. Those flowers are edible. Okay, those flowers are edible. It's good for, it's an expectorant, it's good in teas, it's just good. Do some research if you're interested on the medicinal properties of the mullein plant, and it'll give you more in depth than what I can tonight. Here is an update on the red noodle bean we planted 8 days ago today. Now all 6 of them came up. Now if you see growth there and growth there, I threw some squash seeds in over there, and look at that. Very nice, very nice. So we'll keep monitoring these. When we monitor how tall the